At 7 o'clock in the morning, I wake up and start my day. I'm definitely a morning person because I love the quiet energy of the early hours. At 5 past 7, I make my bed to get the first small win of the day. At 10 past 7, I spend some time cleaning the turtle tank. Keeping my pets happy is a top priority. At 7:20, I jump in the shower to freshen up for the day ahead. At 7:35, I start preparing everything I need for campus and for the class. At 7:45, I'm in the kitchen making breakfast. It's my fuel for the morning. At 8 o'clock sharp, I leave home and begins my commute. At 8:30, I arrive at campus feeling ready to take on the day. At 20 to 9, I take a steady walk to my class. At 9 o'clock, my first class begins. This is where the hard work starts. At 11 o'clock, my first class is finally over, and I can take a breath. At 11:30, I head out to find some lunch to recharge. At 12:30, I have coffee with my friends. This is the best part of my day. At 2:30 in the afternoon, I start heading back to class for the next session. At 2:45, I'm back on campus and ready for my afternoon lecture. At 4:30, my second class is over, and the academic part of my day is done. At 4:45, I enjoy hanging out at the parking lot with my friends for a bit. 5 o'clock, I prepare to head my home after a long day. At 5 past 5, I'm finally back home to relax. At 7 o'clock in the evening, I'm hanging out and winding down.